Jeremiah Parchment, 46, of Thornaby, United Kingdom, has been jailed for 18 years after being convicted of a series of serious offences against a woman. The victim bravely reported the incidents to police and said she feared for her life during the ordeal. For allowing an investigation, officers arrested and charged Parchment. The court heard details of the prolonged abuse before handing down the lengthy prison sentence. Paul Quinn, 52, has been sentenced to 24 years in prison after being convicted over a serious 2003 attack on a mother of two in Little Hulton, near Salford. Andrew Malkinson was wrongly jailed for the case and spent 17 years in prison before his conviction was overturned. Manchester Crown Court heard Quinn was later identified through evidence, bringing a long-running miscarriage of justice case back before the courts. Carl Mitchell, 59, of Southport, United Kingdom, appeared at Liverpool Crown Court after police found a computer and external hard drives at his home. Officers had first searched the property on Shakespeare Street in September, but Mitchell later told them about a computer they had missed. A second search recovered the devices, which contained illegal material. The case was then brought before the court. Mark Fellows, 45, Lee Newell, 57, and David Taylor, 64, appeared at Leeds Crown Court charged with the murder of 33-year-old Jordan Bevan at HMP Wakefield. The jury heard Bevan was found dead in his cell after an attack by fellow prisoners. Prosecutors said he had been placed in bed and was not discovered until the next morning. The three men deny murder. Courts across Yorkshire dealt with several serious cases this week, including Sheffield brothers Zulkarnain and Aman Ahmed, who were jailed after teenager Abdullah Yasser. Abdullah al-Yazidi was killed when he was struck on the street. Luke Belbin and Cameron Boylan also appeared at court over the death of Kirill Fleary-Gale. Judges and court staff continued handling major criminal cases across the region. Bernardine Dedick, 48, of Ealing, London, is on the run after being mistakenly released from HMP Wormwood Scrubs. He had been held ahead of trial over serious offences against a woman. Officials reportedly freed him after a court error wrongly stated he had been granted bail. Dedick left the UK within hours and returned to Bosnia. UK authorities are now considering extradition proceedings. Andrew Roberts, 37, appeared at Liverpool Crown Court after being accused of stabbing his father, David Roberts, while they were watching a film together. The court heard Roberts had kissed his father on the head shortly before the alleged attack. David later called emergency services and reported serious injuries to his chest. The case is continuing before the court. True crime. YouTuber Adrian Stewart has covered the case of Channon Christian, 21, and Christopher Newsom, 23, who were killed in Tennessee in 2007. Stewart, known for coffeehouse crime, warned viewers that the case involved deeply distressing details. The investigation shocked police and the public, with the severity of the crimes leaving a lasting impact on those involved.